Duppy hot gal. Full story. One Sunday evening as a funeral ended in meadow rest, a lady sat on a bench in front of her house looking out. Coming down the road was a nice young lady with a handbag on her shoulder. The young lady looked at the woman and said, "Good evening, ma'am. Can tell me how to get to Spanish Town?" The lady replied, "Watch me now. Go out of the gate and keep right and go down a red pond and you get taxi to Spanish Town." The young lady replied, "Thank you, ma'am." The lady's daughter overheard her conversation and asked her who she was talking to, and was surprised when her mother told her that she was talking to a Duppy. The lady wasn't afraid because all her life she could see spirits. She actually considers herself lucky to be able to see them.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Because once a person can see them, they can avoid them. The lady shared that there are days that the ghosts of persons who are buried at Meadow Rest Cemetery get tired of the cemetery, and so they decide to go on trips. She said that some of the ghosts are in the form of children who leave the burying ground in search of people to play with. Even her granddaughter was once pushed out of a tree by young ghosts. The woman in this story is Carmen Hall from Paul Mountain in St. Catherine. Check out the playlist below.